Stacey Murphy here. Let's talk business innovation and change management. Because let's face it, everything is accelerating so rapidly. And I would argue some people say that the world is moving exponentially and trying to use different techniques to wrap our brain around what it means to grow exponentially. But I would actually argue that it's not moving exponentially. It's actually accelerating so fast and in so many different directions that it's actually quantum. And so the number one tool I would say for change management moving forward, any of the logical, any of the mathematical, let's measure everything and see where we think it's going and try to project where it's going to be, all of that is not going to work in a quantum reality where the potentials are moving so fast and in very different directions. And so what is the one thing that you can cultivate in you and in your team that will allow you to change rapidly with these moving potentials is actually your own intuition. And another way to say that is your own creativity, your own imagination. And so the way this works is when things are moving this rapidly and anything could shift in any moment in any different direction, it is your point of potentiality. It's you are this wave and you're collapsing yourself into this version of reality, into this version of your business. That's what quantum means, is that you are at the same time a wave of potentials and possibilities, and you are focusing yourself into one of those potentials. Wouldn't you like that potential to be the highest and best potential that actually not only benefits you, but benefits the most amount of people? And isn't that the definition of the most successful business, that it would be the most beneficial for the most amount of people, the most valuable? And so wouldn't you like to align yourself with the highest and best potential in the field, in the quantum field? Management is like so much effort, managing everything. But when you quantum leap, it takes into account everything in the quantum field. So it leaves nothing out. So your intuition will show you the easiest, best path, the highest potential for the most impact of all, honoring all life. Doesn't that seem easier than trying to manage it all? And trying to control it all the time, and trying to control the team and then help. So the tool is intuition, imagination, and creativity. And these are things that I help teams with. So if you have any questions about quantum theory and how it relates to business, please drop a comment so I can answer your question. And I have the Quantum Leap Incubator for people who are startups, but then the Quantum Leap 101 for teams, so that we can help get your team up to speed with this massive acceleration of consciousness and where we're headed, because it's changing so fast. Acceleration is not fast enough. Exponential is not fast enough. You've got to take some quantum leaps if you're going to keep up. All right, take care, and I love you.